So we're gonna have to put a temporary pause on the IS300 build, but for good reason though. You probably seen the sub install on this car, and I feel like that was a good kind of pausing point. The reason is I have a lot of major work coming for this, but at the same time I have a family event coming, so I didn't want to be able to work on it and then have to stop and then have to come back and do it again. But that doesn't mean content is going away. We're just shifting the IS300 to something new. So I got this new project car for free. You heard that right, I did get it for free. I got this new project car for me for free. The car is from my mother-in-law. She had it sitting on her driver for about a year now, not driving, just letting it collect dust, letting it rot away. I decided, you know what, I can't let it just sit there. So I asked her and she said, here, take it. Take off my hand, take off my driver, I don't care what you do with it. And that's where we are right now. So before I show you guys the car, I'm excited because it is a different platform, something that I can learn more about it. And it's also like, we'll just say a blank canvas, something I can kind of fix from the ground up. So let me introduce you guys to my 2003 Honda Civic. Okay, so let's get some things off the bat. This is a 2003 Honda Civic LX. You're a Honda boys, you know that this generation is really not ideal generation that most Honda boys do. It's a 7th gen, which is probably one of the least sought after Civic. D17 motor, which is not too good. If you can't tell by the video right now, I mean it. It is crusty. It's not optimal for any project car. Am I stupid enough to work on it? Yeah. Not. You know, why not? End of the day, it's free. It's not really costing me anything initially. It's gonna cost me blood, sweat, tear, and regrets. Let me show you guys part of the car what I think is super crusty. Crusty, super crusty. Okay. So overall, this car, it's not too bad. Okay, I'll be lying. It is kind of bad, but it's doable. We can make it work. A lot of it is exterior wise. That it's super crusty. Of course, interior we can always clean it up, and then the motor wise, that's a different kind of story. But roof is just pretty bad. It's like very black, but I think it will come off with a good wash. Like, look at this. I don't know if you can see that up close. It's bad. Honestly, this paint on this car is like non-existent. It's rough everywhere, so can't break in. The bumper is not really there. Like, there's surface rust on the doors, most of the doors. Paint too is bad, trim mold, no wheels, just stillies. So I don't really have a concrete plan for this car yet. Like, the ideal plan for me right now is do a little mini series on this car to show people who's like in a situation where they got a free car or they got a car for really cheap, but you know, you kind of questionable reliability wise. So a little bit of TLC, a little bit of love, just spend a little bit of money, you can get a car running pretty good to just go from A to B. This is not going to be like a show car, nothing like. It's just people who just want to fix up a little bit so they can have a car to drive and not have to really stress about it that much, you know. But we don't know the full plan yet until I clean up this whole car, dig into the engine bay and see what we're dealing with, because at the end of the day, if it's really bad, then it's not worth working on it. Love to bring this car back, give it some life. I think on the dash wise, it already has 260,000 miles on it. I don't even know if it's the original motor. So there's a lot of ifs in this car. But things can be fixed. Like, this car can look a lot better and drive a lot better if you're willing to put the time into it with a little bit of money. Not too much money, but that's why. If I'm doing this whole series, I wanted to spend as least possible to get this car driving safe from A to B. Car, like, for what it looks crusty. It starts up and runs and drives. You even have AC. So base wise, I think it's a decent, good candidate to start off. Me driving from my mother-in-law house, like, you can tell the suspension needs work and the motor's kind of slow, but you know, nothing like a little bit of maintenance here and there. Sounds fine. Next step will be to do a clean wash outside to see what we're working with exterior wise. We have to really deep clean this interior. Like, I'm currently sitting in that little mold area. It's not safe. I don't even know what I'm doing here. So there's a little mini series I'm gonna do, taking a little break from the IS300. You know, just why not? If I get it running pretty decent, it can just be a beater for anybody. You know, my family, my sister, whatever it is, just to have a beater. I mean, it's a car. If it goes from A to B with AC, can't complain about it. So let's go.